Do you love gaming? What if you could make money while playing your favorite games? In this video, I'll show you legit ways to earn money by gaming, whether you're a casual player or a pro. Number 1. Streaming on Twitch, YouTube. One of the best ways to make money is by streaming your gameplay on platforms like Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook Gaming. How to start? Choose a popular game, e.g., Fortnite, Minecraft, Call of Duty. Set up a streaming setup, webcam, mic, OBS software. Engage with viewers, build an audience. Earn through ads, donations, and sponsorships. Number 2. Playing, selling in-game items. Many online games like CS, Go, PUBG, and Fortnite let you buy, sell, and trade skins or virtual items. Some rare skins can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. How to start? Play games with a marketplace, Steam, Epic Games, etc. Collect rare skins, trade them on legit platforms. Sell them for real cash on sites like Skin Cashier or player auctions. Number 3. Competing in tournaments, eSports. If you're skilled at competitive games, you can enter tournaments and win cash prizes. Games like Valorant, League of Legends, and FIFA have huge prize pools. How to start? Get good at a competitive game. Join online tournaments, e.g., ESL, Faceit, or Game Battles. Build a team and enter bigger competitions. Win cash prizes, sponsorships. Number 4. Becoming a game tester. Game developers need testers to find bugs before launching a game. Companies pay players to test games and provide feedback. How to start? Sign up for game testing jobs on sites like Play-to-Earn, beta testing, or user testing. Test games, report bugs, and get paid per session. Some companies even offer early access to new games. Number 5. Earning from Play-to-Earn games, NFTs. With blockchain and NFT games, you can earn real money by playing. Games like Axie Infinity, The Sandbox, and Gods Unchained allow you to sell in-game assets for crypto. How to start? Research legit play to earn games. Invest in low-cost NFT games with high potential. Earn by playing, breeding characters, or selling in-game assets. A final tip? Choose the method that fits your gaming skills and start earning money while doing what you love. Which gaming method do you want to try first? Comment below. Like, subscribe for more gaming money tips.